Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova Y91 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll to find home screen and wallpaper. Now let's tap on the wallpaper and of course if you're opening it for the very first time you will have to grant the permissions, so let's tap on OK, enter the permissions and tap on media and files and tap on allow management of all files. Right now we can go back and we'll be able to enter the wallpapers successfully. Alright, so here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. We've got the gallery, which contains basically our own files, recommended ones, nature, artistic, dimensional, classic colors. You can enter more wallpapers, and if you will have the internet connection you will be able to pick some other options. Let me pick something maybe from the recommended, or maybe not because I don't like them. Okay. Alright, maybe something from those. Maybe not. Okay. I can see the problem here. Alright, whatever. If you want to see the preview of the wallpaper, if you want to see it on the full screen, simply tap on it. And as you can see, it will be applied on the full screen. You can tap on this eye icon in the right upper corner and you can see how it will look like after applying the icons which you've got on the home page. What is more, you can blur it, so just tap on this drop icon and by going to the left we can make it sharper, and by going to the right we can blur it. As you can see, it's quite blurred. It's up to you. I think I will leave the sharpest option, and simply if you are happy, just tap on apply. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. Right now we can go back and check, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.